Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to update Google Chrome app on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video till the end. Let's get started. To do this, you need to go on your iPhone or iPad to the Apple Store. Then use the search bar and in the search box, write Chrome or write Google Chrome. After that, find this application. And here you will need to update. You click Update. And after that, you will be downloaded and your application will be updated. Perhaps it will say Open. This means that your application is currently updated to the latest version. If it is, you don't need to update. If it says Update, then you update for that. Once it's updated, you click Open and go to Google Chrome. Here is such an easy way how you can do it and update the application on your device. If you liked and helped this video, you can give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching this video till the end. Goodbye.